There are few cars that define an era, and fewer still that continue to inspire decades later. The 1962 Cadillac Coupe DeVille is one of those rare icons. A true masterpiece of American automotive design, this car was built to turn heads and offer an unmatched level of luxury. Its sleek lines, iconic grille, and undeniable presence make it a timeless symbol of elegance. Every detail of the Coupe DeVille speaks of Cadillac's dedication to style. The sharp, soaring tail fins were a hallmark of 1960s American car culture, while the gleaming chrome bumper reflected the craftsmanship of the era. The bold rear lights and dual exhaust system added a touch of sportiness to this otherwise refined beauty. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that set new standards for comfort and luxury in 1962. Rich leather seats, detailed wood trim, and a dashboard that featured cutting-edge technology for its time. Cadillac's attention to detail extended to every inch of this cabin, making it a truly special place to be, whether you were behind the wheel or just along for the ride. Underneath the hood lies the heart of the Coupe DeVille, a powerful V8 engine. With its smooth performance and effortless power delivery, this engine defined Cadillac's reputation for providing a ride that was as comfortable as it was powerful. This was not just a luxury car, it was a machine built for performance. Setting the standard for American sedans, from every angle, the Coupe DeVille commands attention. Its long, flowing lines, elegant proportions, and bold stance give it an unmistakable presence. It's not just a car, it's a statement. The deep burgundy color enhances its luxurious aura, making it a work of art in motion. In a world where luxury is often redefined, the 1962 Cadillac Coupe DeVille remains a classic. Its legacy lives on through its timeless design, powerful performance, and uncompromising attention to detail. It's a car that reminds us of a golden era, a time when American cars led the world in both luxury and innovation.